Welcome to Advisor Build Overview, release date 7/1/2014. For this release, I will be showing you the new Data Viewer tab available in Planting and Yield Import. This allows you to import data without the associated field boundary. In Zone Calculator, you can now select target yield layers. In Map Creation, the sampling spec number reference has been added. The field's total acreage is included in the crop plan summary report, and the block's acreage now displays on the crop plan recommendation. The last item is in reports. In several of the reports, an active blocks checkbox has been added. By unselecting the checkbox, you can view data on blocks that have been made inactive. Let's get started by selecting Map Layers, Map Book. Under Map Book Creation, we will select our block and then the book template. Select Lab Results and get data to load the available information. Expanding one of the plus signs, we now see the sampling spec order number is included for better identification of the layers. Moving over to the Map Books tab, I've already created a crop plan template that will show us the addition of the acreage on the crop plan summary and recommendations. Now let's move over to Zone Calculator. We will select our block, then our target yield formula. Now moving to the Zone Boundary tab, we see that target yield layers can now be selected. Moving down to the Import tab and selecting Yield, we see the new Data Viewer on the right. The new Data Viewer tab is available as well in Import Planting. In the list of available data sets, we'll make a selection by highlighting the line of data we want to use. Next, we'll select the Data Viewer tab. A visual of the data is displayed on the map. Right-click on the map. An initial boundary outline will appear. We can adjust the shape by dragging the vertices. We can add vertices by clicking on the line to fine-tune the boundary. Once we have the boundary set, select Save and pick the location and the file name. The shapefile can then be used to create a new field boundary in Field Setup. Once the field boundary has been created, the associated layer will be generated. Last item show is in Reports. Under Field Reports and the Work Order Detail Report, we see an active blocks box has been added. Removing the check mark from active blocks allows us to see the information for blocks that have been made inactive. This ability is also available on the following reports: Product Utilization, Pesticide Application, Pesticide Treatment History, Hawaii Custom Application Report, Restricted Use Pesticide Applications, Fertilizer Treatment History, and the Fertilizer Application. This concludes the build overview. If you'd like additional training, please call support at 866-236-7435 or email us at support@cdms.net. To view more CDMS videos, search CDMS on YouTube.